Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just outside my house here and I am just messing around with a new camera angle thingy. So what I have done is I have put my Extendomatic GoPro pole and I have cable tied it to the luggage rack on my bike. It is solid as a rock because, you know, cable ties. I have then used a GoPro, you know, it's something you just put on a pole or like the handlebars of your bike and stuff onto the pole so that the camera's facing the right way. And I have then placed my Hero 5 on the end of it. See what sort of a camera view we get. The best thing about it too is that you don't have to have the pole hanging out all the time, because it just goes and retracts like that. Man, even if I say so myself, I am one clever man. Anyway, let's go see what it looks like, eh? Alright, let's watch it back.
A few moments later.
And it just folds neatly away. Just need to trim the cable ties. Not too bad.